All right, Philip, what happened to this here GT500?
All right, so it's a 2014 Shelby GT500. Obviously 5.8 Trinity, but it had a Whipple supercharger on it, a whole bunch of other modifications, and said, hey, something went wrong. Got a tapping noise under the valve cover now. So they brought it back and tore it down, took the blower off, realized that when we spun it over, we had air coming back out the intake when cylinder 7 was at the top of its compression stroke. So we ended up pulling the motor out, taking the heads and everything off, and what we found was a blown head gasket in between cylinders 6 and 7, and we also had a broken valve guide that had fell into cylinder 8, and that was our tapping noise, but we had the misfire because of the burnt head gasket.